What up, Al? Yeah. Yeah, you guys are good. You guys are good. You guys can turn. Yeah. Yep. Alright, coming back from LA, guys. We're right here in Ontario, man. Looks like this vehicle ran into the guardrail, ended up flipping over. I'm not sure how many people were in the vehicle. So we're right here, right up the on-ramp. Not sure the exact street because they're doing construction right here, so they don't have any signs. So let's watch them see if they're gonna flip it over or see what's gonna happen. What up, Grapes? In the building. What's good? I don't know if you know, LA's been hot, man. We ended up catching 2 high-speed chases out there in LA today. Phone?
Huh?
Ah, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, bro. You see one of the officers could call it for you or what?
Yeah.
You good, bro? You were in the accident? Yeah? Damn. I got part of a pursuit but went on the freeway. Damn. Yeah, it's been fucking hot, man. Total pursuits, there were probably about 9 to 10 pursuits today. Nine or 10. Well, that vehicle's totaled, man. Ran into one of these concrete barriers. I got off on Pepper Avenue. Damn. So let me see if I could get. I'll try to go around real quick and get another angle. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hi, mamas. Hi, Steffi. What's up, bro? How's it going?
Pretty good stuff.
Huh? Pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Just filming the accident. We come from LA. Caught like 2 high-speed chases out there.
Nice.
Yeah, it's been active. Total today high-speed chases, about 10 of them.
Fuck yeah.
About-
I'm down here though.
Are you?
We haven't seen any right tonight,
Oh shit.
but all the time here.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
You guys do a podcast or something or what?
YouTube channel, Instagram.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's the Instagram?
Instagram's gonna be K Serrano 562. I'm actually live on Instagram right now. Yeah. I have a blue 760 watch on it.
How does it go? Just K and then Serrano or what? So it's K.
Appreciate that. Thank you. Yep. Got another subscriber right here. You guys subscribe to the Instagram. Say it. 10 is a lot. Yep. It sure is, bro. It sure is. Man, thank you guys for tuning in, man. It's early as fuck in the morning. We're headed back to the Dino. I was headed back to drop off Media Boy, and we're like, what the fuck's going on up there? So decided to come check it out. See where we're at. Oh yeah, I already did. For sure. An accident?
Yeah,
A TC?
simultaneously.
Oh, no shit?
Because I was chilling over there on Mountain, so after I left it happened.
Oh shit. Yay. Yeah, this one looked pretty bad, man, because that car went head on into that fucking concrete barrier. And these motherfuckers are hard. As you can see, fucking the barrier versus the car, the barrier fucking won this one. I fucking flipped the fucking vehicle. I spoke to the guy that was in the accident. Well, I didn't speak to him. He came over and asked if there was a phone around here. I told him nah. But I asked him if he was in the accident. He said yeah. He looks pretty dazed and confused and shit at the moment. I'm still waiting. Yeah, man, shit. But yeah, as you guys can see, the fucking vehicle versus barrier. Barrier fucking won this one. Kelly Poppy, good morning. So right now we're in Ontario. I'm not sure the streets or the off-ramp, because they're doing massive construction right here, so I can't give you the exact location because there's no street sign due to construction. But I tell you this much, we're on the 10 off-ramp. They're doing a lot of construction right here, so they took off the ramp series. And it's crazy, every time I'm out, I'm always catching something on the way back. Always. Vehicle 0, barrier 1. Exactly. Man. Yeah, it looked like the vehicle was going at a high rate of speed to fucking tip over on its side like that. Looks like it was going pretty fast. I want to say like around 40, 50. I mean, you gotta understand, this is a construction zone, so the speed limit drops. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Just got a call. There's a structure fire over here in Ontario, so we're gonna head out there right now. So you guys stay tuned. Yeah.